Have you ever felt an unexplainable urge to just drive? Not to a specific destination, but simply away from the noise of your daily life. Today, we are winding through the heart of Yosemite National Park. But as these granite giants look down on us, I want to ask you a question that most people never stop to consider. Why does a long, empty road feel more like home than the house we live in? Is it just the scenery, or is there something deeper happening inside our minds when we hit the gas and watch the world blur by in 4K? Psychologists call it active meditation. When you're behind the wheel, your body is engaged, your eyes are scanning the horizon, but your mind finally has permission to wander. There's a strange paradox here. In our modern world, we are constantly connected, yet we've never felt more lost. On this road, through the shadows of the Sierra Nevada, the GPS tells you where you are, but the silence tells you who you are. Did you know that the human brain processes landscapes like these differently? The sheer scale of Yosemite, these ancient rocks that have stood for millions of years, triggers a sense of awe. And awe has a psychological superpower. It shrinks our problems. Suddenly, that deadline or that stressful conversation doesn't seem so big anymore. Look ahead. As we turn this corner, the horizon opens up to reveal the magnificent half-dome. It stands there, immovable, a silent witness to centuries of change. Seeing a landmark like this reminds us of a vital psychological truth. Perspective is everything. From down here, the climb looks impossible, but from the top, the world looks unified. Sometimes we aren't running away from our lives on these long roads. We are simply driving far enough to get a better view of them. There's a rhythm to the pavement, a zen in the driving. In a world that demands our attention every second, the long road is the only place where doing nothing feels like doing something. Why do we find clarity in motion? Why do our best ideas come to us when we are miles away from our desks? As we drive deeper into the valley, notice how your breathing changes. The road acts as a filter. It strips away the labels we wear, the job titles, the social expectations, until it's just you, the steering wheel, and the horizon. Are we searching for a new place, or are we just trying to find the version of ourselves we lost along the way? Every turn in this road represents a choice. Travel isn't just about moving through space. It's about moving through layers of our own consciousness. Yosemite reminds us that growth is slow but inevitable. Just like the Merced River carved this valley over eons, our journeys carve our character. As we reach the end of this stretch, I want to leave you with one thought. You don't need a reason to leave. You just need a road. Because the search for self doesn't end at a destination. It happens in the miles in between. Where is the one place you've driven where you felt truly free? Tell me in the comments. Let's share our journeys. If you enjoyed this 4K journey through Yosemite, don't forget to subscribe to Ashrove for more roads, more clarity, and more stories from the driver's seat. Until the next mile, keep driving.